To transfer XRP from Kucoin to crypto.com, start by opening the Kucoin app and selecting the Assets option from the bottom of the screen. Then, switch to the account where your XRP is currently held, such as the funding account. Next, click on Withdrawal and select XRP from the list of cryptocurrencies. If you can't find it, use the search bar to locate it. Now, open the crypto.com app and click on the Account option at the bottom of the screen. Then select Crypto Wallet and choose Ripple. Click on Transfer and then Deposit to access your XRP wallet address. Copy this address and return to the Kucoin app, pasting it into the designated area. The network should automatically be selected based on the wallet address. But if not, you can manually select it. If a destination tag is required for XRP, copy it and paste it into the Kucoin app as well. Finally, enter the withdrawal amount. A minimum of 30 XRP is required, and click Withdraw to initiate the transfer.